Guys, my name's Tommy, and I run the YouTube channel, The Gallery Backyard Barbecue. So look, man, over the next couple months, I'll be guest chefing over here on GrillGrate's YouTube channel, and I am most definitely happy to be here. So look, man, for me, nothing says summertime like good old hot dogs, and that and here is what today's show is all about. But I am not talking any hot dogs. I am talking hot dogs 3 ways. We will make the classic Jersey style Italian hot dog, and then we will throw in a nice chili cheese dog. And to close it out, how about a barbecue baked bean and chili cheese dog? Oh yeah. So look, man, if that sounds good to you, let me swing the cameras around, show you some of our ingredient list, and get on over to the pit and light it up.
So there is our ingredient list out on the board there. The only thing I would say here is get yourself a good extra sharp cheddar cheese. You want to get a block because you want to hand grade that out. It makes a world of difference.
All right, guys, look, man, while our pit comes up to temp, I did want to bring your attention over here to these hot dogs and give you a little bit of a trick that I like to do.
So, of course, you want to pick yourself a good quality dog. I am going to go with a Sabrett's. Look, grab 2 kitchen utensils about the same width and height. Put them together like that and put little slits in your hot dogs. Trust me, it makes a world of difference. So look, we got the Oklahoma Joe fired up. You see we got rails up and rails down. We will get our chili on and also baked beans on.
All right, guys, look, so real quick, one of the tricks here is when you're doing 3 different type recipes like this, is just everything being done at the same time. Hence that pan right there, so that way if the dogs are done too quick, I'll get those off, get them on the pan. If the peppers and onions are done too fast, they will go on the pan. And as I put everything together, I'll just get the stuff back on the pit. No big deal. Oh yeah.
I can tell you that didn't take long. We will get those beans off. They are bubbling over. And from there, what we want to do is we want to move that chili over to the flat side. I do believe it is a little bit cooler over there. And look, what we're going to do is we are going to get our onions down and our peppers down. So guys, look, the trick to these Italian hot dogs, these Jersey Italian hot dogs, is that oil, man. You want to cook them in oil. If I was doing in a frying pan or a griddle, I would have plenty of oil down because you want that good, greasy Jersey Italian flavor. Yeah. From there, we have some pre-cooked out potatoes. We'll get those down, and trust me, man, this is a recipe you definitely want to make. If you've never had an Italian style hot dog, I am telling you, man, it is killer. And we are only about 7-8 minutes into the cook, and you can see those dogs are looking mighty fine. Oh yeah, I mean, that is what you want. Guys, again, a little bit more oil down. That's gonna get everything just cooking, everything moving, man, everything burning. That is what you want. You want that nice char on the onions, on the peppers, on the dogs. That is an Italian hot dog. Baked beans on, BBQ sauce in.
All right, guys, look, man, we are just about done here, and I am definitely digging what these GrillGrates do to any pit, man. They just raise your game, knocking all that oil I spilt on there. They just knock the flame down. They don't allow anything to come up through and to make a mess on your food. So, hey, man, whether you do them flat top like a griddle or raise the rails and do them that way, man, it is an improvement on your grill game, that is for sure. So look, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get everything off, get it all on that tray, bring it over to the board, and build the dogs over there.
So look, guys, man, we are ready to get everything off, and look at that dog right there. That is why you make those slits. You get that good flavor inside of the dog. Trust me, it does make a difference. We will get everything off, get it on the tray. We got the chili back on, heating up. So on this Italian style hot dog, you want to get some yellow mustard in, you want to get some ketchup in, and you just want to stuff it with dogs and onions, potatoes, peppers. I mean, stuff it with all that goodness till you can't stuff it anymore. Oh, yeah. Now, I do prefer a pocket-size roll, a pocket roll, but I couldn't find one, but this will do good. You want a good crunchy roll, man. You want that crunch. After you stuff it, you want to get some ketchup on and a yellow mustard on, and that is a New Jersey style Italian hot dog. I'm telling you, that's killer. So look, we got some homemade chili going down, and we got some hand grated extra sharp cheddar cheese. And of course, Molly looks on. So look, I did a little switch up on here. We got some chili going down. I'm gonna get some of them barbecue beans on, and instead of cheese, I am gonna hit it with some red onion, man. Give it that crunch. Yeah. I'm telling you right now, off the bat, man, this is summertime. This is what gets it done.
All right, guys, man, and what could one say other than, man, that was a cool cook for me. And I'm telling you right now, the star of this show right here is that Italian hot dog. If you've never had an Italian hot dog, you definitely got to make that, man. That is there's a lot of flavor packed in there with that, with those potatoes, the peppers, the onions, the mustard, the ketchup, and of course that charred out hot dog, man. Now look, a real Italian hot dog is going to be a lot greasier than that. But hey, man, we are trying to be a little bit healthy here at the Gallery Backyard Barbecue, so why not? Oh yeah. So look, man, let's go in. Let's get a quick taste test. Maybe I'll taste out 1, 2, 3 of them. I don't know, man. It's the Italian hot dogs, the one I want. And then we'll come back with some closing thoughts. Oh yeah. All right, guys, man, what could one say? The Italian hot dog is killer. Let's go in real quick on this chili dog. I mean, look, man, it is hard to beat that classic chili and cheese dog. And how about my barbecue baked bean and chili with some raw onion dog? All right, guys, look, like I thought, the Italian hot dog, man, for me, a Jersey guy, gets the win here. But look, all 3 of these dogs, man, should be served in your backyard. There is no doubt about it. So look, man, at this time, I want to thank GrillGrate for allowing me to cook for them. This has been a ton of fun. The GrillGrates, as usual, I mean, what could you say about those things, man? They just, they excel in everything that you use them for. I am going to wrap this one up now, and until next time, we will see you soon.